I'm Dr. Joseph Thomas. I'm from India, and I'm having my own clinic, two clinics, and I'm an aesthetic physician, a GP, doing aesthetic practice. One of the main reason choosing A4M is we don't have such programs in anywhere in the globe. I've been to many programs, many workshops, many training programs, many fellowships and all. But A4M is where I came again. This is my second module, and the reason which I came again is I got the hands-on training from the doctors, from the trainers, and everything was really amazing, really amazing. The certification will put you in a much higher level. That's the difference between a trained doctor and an untrained doctor. And even a trained doctor with proper certification, authorized certification, our practice will be really different from those who are untrained. So really, it's really good. My opinion about these modules are really amazing. These modules are really good, and a doctor who are not aware of the aesthetic practices at all, they can start with A4M, because A4M is having modules from 1 to 7, 1 to 6, from the beginning, from the basics to the advanced. So it's really good for doctors like us who are practicing and who are willing to practice more on an aesthetic field. So it is really good. The modules are really good. I would definitely recommend it to my colleagues, because there is nothing else more than A4M. I have been to AA and all, but A4M is really amazing than many of other programs. I would recommend it to my colleagues.